Good morning to everybody. I'm sharing with you what my husband got me for Valentine's. As you can see, Grandma knows what Grandma loves. She loves her beautiful garden accessories and her miniatures. Well, let's start with this cute little birdhouse that Grandpa got me. It's all wood, so nicely finished. This is such a beautiful birdhouse that's been put together. It's a Victorian style, as you can tell by all the trim work and detail on this birdhouse. Now, I know it looks a little weird around the windows, but all that is glue. And because of the angle I'm having this video shot in, it's reflecting sort of oddly. But really, when you're visually looking at it, is nothing there. It's just the reflection of the glue and light. And look at how beautiful. This one's probably just going to go out and for its photo ops out in my fairy garden all about, and then it'll probably come back in. Because this one I love so much, and I'm going to try to get a few more of these styles, Victorian fairy houses for my garden. And I don't want them to get messed up, because most of these wood items I get, even when I've had some beautiful pieces in the past, they just get messed up and then I have to throw them away. So keep in mind when you're buying stuff like this that are wood to be very careful with them. I'm probably going to see if I can find a sealer or something, but even then I doubt I'm leaving it out too much, because it's beautiful. I want to be able to look at it and enjoy it next year and the year after. And I've lost too many beautiful things out in the garden. And now I'm learning if it's something I really, really love, I need to box it up when I'm done filming for I can use it next year. And as you can see, the sides are finished beautifully too. Nothing has been forgotten on these. And these really are not overly expensive. These were bought at Home Goods. And here is the other side. Look at how beautiful it looks. It's finished on all sides just beautifully, and I just love it. Thank you, sweetheart, for knowing what Grandma loves. This is the name of the company that made this birdhouse. Now, they do have some really big, elaborate birdhouses, not small like this one. You're going to pay a lot more, but they are worth every penny. They're beautiful. And maybe I can talk Grandfather into buying me another one next year. Or maybe even for Mother's Day. Who knows? And of course my birthday's coming up. So maybe I can get another one or two of these this year. Who knows? But it's a great company and they have beautiful, beautiful pieces. Now this one was not too expensive, but they do have some that can be pretty pricey. But they are gorgeous. Now, everybody knows that Grandma loves miniatures, and here is the cutest thing you have. I am naming him after my husband because he has the cute little smile on his face and those cute little front teeth. Gonna call him Little Jim. Little Jim looks so cute in his top hat. Finished off so well, don't you think? He's such a cute little cottontail bunny, isn't he? Look at that big tail he's got. And he might have a little magic in him. As you see, he's holding something in his hand. I wonder if that's a magical wand. I don't know. Maybe so. This was such a cute piece. I just loved it so. Can you see all the beautiful detailed work that this was put together? Like I said, My husband knows what I love, and miniature is one of my favorite things to get. And maybe I can get a few more of these every year. You never know. Be great to have 3 or 4 of them for Easter. Well, I guess I'm starting my collection of these. Are they not the cutest things? And of course, these really shouldn't be going outside because this is real cloth and it would get messed up in the garden. I think these are going to stay inside for my home decor displays where they can be safe from dirt. Don't you agree, little Jim Bunny? Huh? Don't you? Yeah, you do agree, huh? Yeah. He doesn't want to get dirty. He's cute. He's all white. He wants to stay white. He doesn't want to be dirty. You can tell he's a fancy little magic bunny, and he wants to keep his wand fresh and nice for magic times coming your way. Such a cutie. And this is, if you want more information about these little guys, here is the website and the phone number. Want to learn more? Go visit. They have a collection of them. And you know, like I said, Grandma loves miniatures. It's going to be great to add to her collection. Now also, Grandma knows I'm starting to do a collection of smaller flower containers to put around the home for decor purposes. Things that can be easily stored away but still look beautiful on a windowsill or in the bathroom. Something that will give some color but not be really big and overpowering. As you know, Grandma likes to make big centerpieces. Grandma needs to start working herself down to smaller ones like this. Isn't it beautiful? And I already have some beautiful decor pieces that will work out perfect for this for the kitchen table. I think I can use this for Easter the whole time, but I also could use this for some of my spring decor also. What do you think? Leave me a comment in the comment section. Now here is one of my blue and white cups. I think this blue and white cup would look very nice with this little arrangement. What do you think? I do have quite a few pieces I think that will go nicely already that I own and have. And you know how Grandma is. If I've already used it, there's no cost. And also, if it's a gift, it's no cost. You know, gifts don't count. They're freebies. Oh my gosh, Grandma's got 4 new freebies. I am so excited for Valentine's. Always love freebie time. I think it might even go very nice with this teapot. What do you think? The blue from the teapot really matches the blue also in this. I'm just thinking a little bit what I could use to put it with it for future posts. What do you think? Leave me some comments. And this is the name of the company that made these beautiful flowers. I really do like them, and I can't wait to put them together in my home for display purposes. Now, I was super excited about this 2-tier tray. Why would I be that excited? It is very cute, and it is really cute for Easter display or a spring display. Well, the reason why I was so happy and so excited, this matches my dishes for Easter perfectly. I'm sure it goes with it because these bunnies match. I'm going to share with you what I already own and have. So this will be another free post that I'm going to be able to put up in the next couple of weeks. Now you can see why I'm so excited. Look at them. Are they not beautiful? Do they not match? I'm sure they're made by the same manufacturer because everything about them matches. From the cute little bunny style to the ruffle edges and the beautiful finishes on the edges. as you can see, matches perfectly. Oh, I couldn't believe that Grandfather got me this two-tiered tray to match my dishes. And that's what I always tell you. Don't go in debt. Pick a few key pieces up. Last year, these bunnies were my key piece. This year, I'm going to have a two-tiered tray that matches them. I don't know how I could have been so lucky to get this, but I have some other pieces that also match. So I am going to have some awesome Easter displays this coming year. And the best part of all, they're going to be free. Free, 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 free. And I'm going to be using a lot of pieces that I used last year that will look a little different. And I'm so happy that I got so many great, great pieces. So don't forget to come back and see what Grandma does with this beautiful two-tiered tray. Now you know I have these beautiful plates, but I have a lot more. We'll let you come back and see what I do. Well, hope you enjoyed where we're going so far on this post. Now, do you want to see what Grandma got Grandpa? Yay! Well, this is what Grandma got Grandpa. Now, maybe to some people this seems strange, but both me and my husband love the yard and the garden. And I got him a heart-shaped succulent garden of his very own to put on his side table out in the garden. And he always enjoys it, and it's shaped like a heart. And the best part of all, when these succulents get too big for this container, I can take them out and make new fairy gardens. Because I'm trying to do more fairy garden this year from the past. Because when you do a fairy garden out of succulents, they will look great for years and they take so little maintenance. Now I do have quite a few fairy gardens that are just succulents. And I will be sharing some of those with you. But I do use flowers also. But in the future I'm going to be doing a lot more succulent fairy gardens because they cost less in the long run. They don't take a lot of maintenance and they just go on for years. I have fairy gardens that have been done with succulents that are 3 or 4 years old, and all I have to do is do a little bit of trimming, cleaning them up, and pulling out a few little weeds. Very little maintenance, and they grow right around all my fairy supplies. So they're great. And I will be sharing that in the future with you. And I thought this was so pretty, had a great array of different succulents in here. Some I already own, some I don't think I have, but it really doesn't matter. I also like succulents like my husband. Going to be doing more succulent gardens in the future. Well, that's the end of my Valentine's gifts for my husband and me. As you can see, my husband treats me very well. Well, let's hear some comments from all my awesome friends and followers. Let me know what you thought about Valentine's at Grandma Sandy's house this year. Kisses and hugs if you've made it to the very end. Love you very much. Please take care. Until the next video, my awesome friends. If you're not already following, think about it. We'd love to make you part of our family.